Hi, Brian from the Bonneville Shop here. Check us out online at www.thebonnevilleshop.com for all your vintage Brit bike needs. There's a lot of incorrect ways to install the headlight fixing clips on a vintage Brit bike, but there's really only one correct way. So today we're going to show you how to install these clips correctly to secure your reflector and lens inside the headlight rim and headlight bucket. You'll need your headlight reflector and lens. You're going to need your headlight rim, fixing wires, part number 504655. They're sold in packs of 10s, but you're only going to need 5 or 6 to fit your reflector in the rim correctly. Alright, step 1, you're going to install your headlight reflector lens into the headlight rim. You want to make note of the locating tab that's on the bottom of the headlight rim and the orientation of your reflector to make sure that it's faced correctly. Line it up roughly. It doesn't have to be perfect. We can always fix that later on down the line as long as it's pretty close there. Alright, step 2, we're going to orient the clips so that the elbows are pointed down at the reflector there, and these little tabs at the end catch the underside of the rim itself. Now that one clip's installed, install a second one across from it. And go ahead and install the second one. Second and all the subsequent ones are easiest if you catch just one lip of them, or one of the tabs under the lip there, and just pull down on the other ones. So note the direction. These little flat tabs are kind of pointed away from the reflector. The elbows are on the reflector, and these open parts of the W clips are lipped under the rim there. So install as many as you need to feel confident it's not going to go anywhere. And there you go. Ready to install it in your headlight shell and install your bulb and get on your way. Check us out at thebonnevilleshop.com for more helpful hints and tips to keep your vintage Brit bike on the road for years to come.